how to access TikTok Shop. So if you want to access TikTok Shop, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. You just need to simply go with profile. Once you open up your TikTok, go with profile. Now here, as you can see, so if you're not yet invited to the TikTok Shop program and you're not being able to actually access your TikTok Shop, then what you're going to do is firstly you need to click on the three lines which will be on the upper right corner, and it should be taken to this kind of page where you'll have your settings and privacy. Once you're under settings and privacy, now you can see where it says report a problem. Tap on report a problem and then it will take you to the TikTok help center or the support center. So what you need to do is just simply scroll down and then you're going to click on the submit a report page, which will be on the bottom, or chat with us option, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and it will directly take you to the TikTok help desk or report a problem page. From there, you need to enter, I'm currently missing the TikTok shop option on my account. I need this to be fixed. Please get back to me as fast as possible. Once you've written that, you just need to simply go send, and once you've sent, TikTok will contact you within 24 hours on how you can access your TikTok shop. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.